Most Audis are capable of going 300,000 miles, but only if you follow the maintenance habits most owners overlook. Stay to the end, because the number one habit that keeps Audis running long-term is simple, but makes the biggest difference. Number 1. Change oil every 5,000 miles with approved synthetic. Audi's factory oil change intervals are designed around ideal conditions that most drivers never experience. Real-world driving with stop-and-go traffic, short trips, and temperature extremes breaks down oil much faster than the 10,000-mile intervals suggest. Use only synthetic oil that meets Audi specifications, such as VW 50400 or 50700 approved formulations. Brands like Mobil 1 ESP, Liqui Top Tech, or Castrol Edge Professional meet these requirements and provide the thermal stability Audi engines demand. The 5,000-mile interval isn't just conservative, it's based on what high-mileage Audi owners have learned through experience. Oil analysis consistently shows that even premium synthetic oils begin breaking down significantly after 5,000 miles in turbocharged Audi engines. Turbocharged engines generate extreme heat that breaks down oil faster than naturally aspirated engines. The tiny oil passages that feed turbo bearings are the first to suffer when oil quality degrades, leading to bearing failure and complete turbo replacement. Keep detailed records of every oil change with dates, mileage, and oil specifications used. This documentation proves proper maintenance for warranty claims and significantly increases resale value when it's time to sell. The cost difference between 5,000-mile and 10,000-mile intervals is minimal compared to engine repairs. An $80 to $120 oil change at Independence every 5,000 miles is cheap insurance against a $15,000 engine replacement. Number 2. Perform carbon cleaning every 40,000 miles. Direct injection engines suffer from carbon buildup on intake valves because fuel doesn't wash over them like in port injection systems. This buildup reduces airflow, causes misfires, and can lead to valve damage if left untreated. Professional walnut shell blasting is the most effective method for removing carbon deposits without damaging valve surfaces. This process uses crushed walnut shells as an abrasive media to blast carbon off intake valves and ports. Symptoms of carbon buildup include rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, reduced power output, and increased fuel consumption. These symptoms often develop gradually, making them easy to ignore until performance is significantly affected. The cost of professional carbon cleaning ranges from $400 to $800 at independent Audi specialists, compared to $1,200 or more at dealerships. This service pays for itself by preventing more expensive repairs and maintaining engine performance. Carbon buildup affects all TFSI and TDI engines, including the 2.0T, 3.0T, and even the V8 and V10 engines in higher-end models. No direct injection engine is immune to this problem. Schedule carbon cleaning based on mileage rather than symptoms. By the time you notice performance issues, the buildup is already severe enough to cause problems. Number 3. Replace timing chain components proactively on known problem engines. On 2009 to 2012 2.0T engines and early 3.0T models, replace timing chain tensioners proactively at 80,000 to 100,000 miles due to known design flaws. On newer engines, 2013 plus, chains typically last 200,000 plus miles with proper oil changes. Listen for startup rattling as your warning sign. Timing chain stretch and tensioner failure are common on specific high-mileage Audi engines, particularly the 2009 to 2012 2.0 TCA EB engine. When these components fail, the timing chain can skip teeth or break completely, causing valve-to-piston contact. Warning signs include rattling noises on startup, rough idle, and timing-related fault codes. However, waiting for symptoms often means the damage has already begun, making proactive replacement the safer approach on known problem engines. This service typically costs $1,500 to $3,000 depending on the engine, but it prevents $8,000 to $15,000 in engine damage if the chain fails catastrophically. The math strongly favors proactive replacement on affected engines. Use only genuine Audi or OEM equivalent timing chain components. Aftermarket chains and tensioners often don't meet the quality standards required for long-term reliability in these high-performance engines. Keep the old timing chain components as proof of proactive maintenance. This documentation can be valuable for warranty claims and demonstrates proper care to future buyers. Number 4. Service DSG and S-tronic transmissions. Every 40,000 miles. Audi's dual-clutch transmissions require regular fluid and filter changes despite marketing claims of lifetime fluid. The complex hydraulic systems and dual-clutch packs generate heat and contamination that breaks down fluid over time. Critical: identify your transmission type first. 6-speed DSG-02E uses G05218. 2A2 7-speed wet clutch 0B5 uses G055529A2, and 7-speed dry clutch 0CW uses G052516A2. Using the wrong fluid can destroy the transmission in under 1,000 miles. Transmission service includes both fluid and filter replacement, along with adaptation procedures that recalibrate the transmission's shift points and clutch engagement. This complete service ensures optimal performance and longevity. Signs of transmission problems include harsh shifting, delayed engagement, shuddering during acceleration, and transmission fault codes. However, regular service prevents these problems from developing in the first place. The cost of transmission service ranges from $400 to $600 at independent specialists, compared to $6,000 to $8,000 for transmission replacement or rebuild. Regular service is clearly the more economical approach. Document all transmission services with receipts and service records. This maintenance history is crucial for warranty claims and significantly increases the vehicle's resale value. Number 5. Replace water pump and thermostat together. Audi cooling systems use plastic components that become brittle over time and can fail without warning. The water pump and thermostat should be replaced together as preventive maintenance to avoid overheating damage. Plastic impeller water pumps are common failure points on Audi engines, typically failing between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. When the impeller breaks, coolant circulation stops immediately, causing rapid overheating and potential engine damage. Replace both components together during timing chain service or other major engine work to save on labor costs. The parts cost is relatively low compared to the labor involved in accessing these components. Use genuine Audi or OEM equivalent parts with metal impellers where available. These upgraded components are more durable than the original plastic versions and less likely to fail catastrophically. Cooling system service should also include flushing the entire system with G12 Evo or G13 spec coolant. Old coolant becomes acidic and can corrode aluminum engine components, leading to expensive repairs. A complete cooling system refresh typically costs $800 to $1,500, but prevents $5,000 to $10,000 in engine damage from overheating. The investment in prevention pays significant dividends. Number 6. Keep fuel system clean with premium fuel. Audi's high-performance engines require premium fuel to prevent knock and maintain proper combustion. Using regular fuel can cause carbon buildup, reduced performance, and potential engine damage over time. Premium fuel contains higher levels of detergents that help keep fuel injectors and intake valves clean. These detergents are particularly important in direct injection engines that are prone to carbon buildup. High-pressure fuel pumps in direct injection engines are sensitive to fuel quality and can fail prematurely with poor quality fuel. Premium fuel helps protect these expensive components from contamination and wear. Add fuel system cleaner every 10,000 miles, or use top-tier gasoline brands that contain enhanced detergent packages. Brands like Shell, Chevron, and Mobil meet top-tier standards for fuel quality. Never use E15 or E85 unless your Audi is explicitly flex fuel certified, as ethanol can cause corrosion in fuel system components and reduce fuel economy. Audi engines are designed for E10, but may experience problems with higher ethanol content. Most modern Audis have lifetime fuel filters that don't require scheduled replacement. Replace only if you experience fuel contamination, pump failure, or notice performance issues after bad fuel. Number 7. Maintain proper tire pressure and alignment. Proper tire maintenance affects more than just tire wear. It impacts suspension components, wheel bearings, and even drivetrain components in Quattro-equipped vehicles. Maintaining correct pressure and alignment extends the life of multiple systems. Check tire pressure monthly and maintain pressures according to the door jamb sticker, not the maximum pressure listed on the tire sidewall. Underinflated tires cause excessive heat buildup and premature wear. Quattro all-wheel drive systems are sensitive to tire diameter differences, which can cause binding and premature wear of differentials in transfer cases. Replace tires in sets or ensure diameter differences are within specification. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. If you have square, non-staggered fitments. If your Audi has staggered or directional tires, rotation isn't possible. Instead, replace all 4 tires together when tread depth differences exceed 2/32 of an inch to protect your Quattro system. Use high-quality tires that meet Audi's speed and load ratings. Cheap tires can affect handling, braking, and even fuel economy. The performance characteristics of premium tires complement Audi's suspension tuning. Proper wheel balancing prevents vibrations that can damage suspension components and cause premature wear of wheel bearings. Have wheels balanced whenever tires are mounted or if vibrations develop. Number 8. Address electrical issues immediately. Audi's complex electrical systems can develop problems that cascade into multiple system failures if not addressed promptly. Early intervention prevents minor issues from becoming expensive electrical nightmares. Modern Audis have dozens of control modules that communicate with each other constantly. When one module fails or develops communication errors, it can affect multiple systems throughout the vehicle. Test battery health annually after year 4. A GM batteries typically last 6 to 8 years, but voltage fluctuations from a weak battery can cause low voltage codes and module communication errors. Replace proactively at 6 to 7 years, or when load testing shows 70% capacity or less. Use genuine Audi or OEM equivalent electrical components whenever possible. Aftermarket electrical parts often don't meet the quality standards required for Audi's sophisticated systems. Electrical problems often start small: flickering lights, intermittent warning messages, or minor system glitches. Addressing these early prevents them from developing into major failures. Document all electrical repairs and software updates. This information is valuable for future troubleshooting and can prevent unnecessary duplicate repairs by different technicians. Number 9. Replace suspension components strategically. Audi suspension systems are precisely tuned, and understanding which components to replace together ensures optimal performance and prevents premature wear of other parts. Replace control arms and ball joints in axle sets, both left and right, since they wear at similar rates. However, individual components like sway bar links or bushings can be replaced singly if the opposite side shows no wear. Air suspension systems require special attention. Air springs, compressors, and control modules should be serviced by specialists familiar with these complex systems. Improper repairs can cause expensive cascade failures. Use genuine Audi or OEM equivalent suspension components that meet original specifications. Aftermarket parts may not provide the same ride quality, handling characteristics, or longevity as OEM components. Wheel alignment is mandatory after any suspension work. Failure to align the wheels properly will cause premature tire wear and may affect handling and stability, especially at highway speeds. Quality suspension components can last 80,000 to 120,000 miles with proper maintenance, but aggressive driving, poor road conditions, and deferred maintenance can significantly reduce component life. Number 10. Follow severe service maintenance schedule. Most Audi owners drive under conditions that qualify as severe service according to manufacturer definitions, but few follow the more frequent maintenance intervals required for these conditions. Severe service conditions include frequent short trips, stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, dusty conditions, and towing. These conditions accelerate wear and require more frequent maintenance than normal service schedules. Oil changes should be performed every 5,000 miles under severe service conditions, regardless of what the oil life monitor indicates. The monitor doesn't account for all the factors that affect oil degradation in real-world driving. Brake fluid should be changed every 2 years under severe service conditions due to increased moisture absorption and higher operating temperatures. Contaminated brake fluid can cause brake fade and component corrosion. Transmission service intervals should be reduced to 30,000 to 40,000 miles for vehicles used primarily in stop-and-go traffic or for towing. These conditions generate more heat and contamination than highway driving. Document your driving conditions and adjust maintenance intervals accordingly. This proactive approach prevents premature component failures and extends vehicle life significantly beyond normal expectations. These 10 tips represent the difference between Audis that reach 300,000 miles and those that become expensive problems before 100,000 miles. The key is understanding that Audi's engineering excellence requires equally excellent maintenance practices. Every tip addresses a known failure point that can either be prevented with proper care or become a catastrophic repair. The choice between prevention and repair is always yours, but the cost difference is dramatic. The owners who successfully reach 300,000 miles treat maintenance as an investment rather than an expense. They understand that German engineering rewards proper care with exceptional longevity and performance that justifies the initial investment. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.